Hi guys, so this is a little bit of a deja vu video. I've done it once but it kept switching off in the middle of filming the last time I tried this. So this is a 52cc, it's branded Trueshopping. I think it's just one of the generic clones which is branded Trueshopping. It's got a fabulous Oregon Pro-Am bar on it, which I was told is literally brand new with a new chain. And it certainly looks immaculate. It's 50 centimeters, 20-inch bar. So I'll do a small demo of it cutting. I've got some 14-inch wood. Try it on a restart, and it's up for spares or repair on eBay. It came in as a part exchange against a really beautiful vintage Dolmar saw I had. Okay. Primer bulb, choke, kill switch, choke, Okay, I hope that was clear. It cuts really cleanly. Nice and clean. And fast. I'll show it on a restart, and hopefully that'll be suitable for somebody out there. Kill switch. Got the off switch off. I'll try it with the kill switch off this time. So it idles nicely. I'll show it on a restart again, this time with the kill switch not switched on. So, kill switch off. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope that's useful for somebody.